Welcome back to the Python tutorial series. I'm so glad you're here. This is the 44th video in the series, and today we will go over how to sort dictionaries in Python. We will first review what dictionaries are, then we will sort dictionaries by keys, and finally by values. So let's get started. First, let's review what dictionaries are. I created a file called dictionaryreview.py and created a dictionary called country population. And dictionaries have key value pairs. In this case, the key is the country, for example, USA, China, or India, and the value is the population. And we see that here for these countries. If I wanted to print the dictionary, I could do so by printing the country population, and now when I run this, I get the key value pairs, and it's enclosed in brackets. That's how you know it's a dictionary. The key and value are separated by a colon, and the key value pairs are separated by a comma. If we wanted to print each key value pair on a different line, we could. We could do that by doing for key, comma value, and country population dot items. So what dot items does is gets the key and value. We can then print the key and value for each key value pair. And now when we run this, it displays each key value pair on a separate line. Now that we reviewed what dictionaries are, let's sort them. I created a file called sorteddictionaries.py and pasted the country population dictionary from before. Now if I wanted to sort the country population by key, I could do that by printing sorted and then the dictionary country population. Now when I run this, it sorts it by the key or the country. So China, India, UK, and USA. And I'm going to store this and sort it by key. If I wanted both the key and value, I can do dot items, and this will get both the key and value, and it will still be sorted by the key. And there we have it. So it's a list of tuples. So China and the population, India population, UK population, and USA population. However, if I wanted this to be in a dictionary and not a tuple, I could do that by doing an open curly brace and then key value for key comma value and sorted country population dot items and then the closing curly bracket. Now when I run this will look like a dictionary because it is. Now if I wanted to sort it by value, it's a little bit more complicated. What I need to do is after dot items, do a comma and do key and set that equal to a lambda function and then value colon value and then the second index, which is 1, because if you remember from the original tuple, we want to sort it by the values and not by the keys. So 1 because indexing starts at 0, so that's the second index. And then let's print sorted by value. Now when I run this works and it sorts it from lowest population to highest population. But what if I wanted the highest population first? Well, I'll just copy sorted by value, and I'm going to create a new variable called sorted by greatest value. And then after the key, I'm going to set reverse equal to true. So this will reverse the order of the values so that it sorts it by greatest value. And then I'll print sorted by greatest value. Now when I run this, it sorts it by the highest population, which is China, followed by India, followed by the United States, and then followed by the United Kingdom. So that's a brief overview of how to sort dictionaries by keys and values in Python. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow along with this video series by subscribing and hitting the notification bell or by clicking on the next video so that you can expand your knowledge about Python. And as always, I can't wait to see you next time.